Can you tell me about that a little bit and what what we're going to do with that?
Sure. We launched it actually earlier this year in January. It's called the Manufacturing Imperative Workforce Pipeline Challenge. And yes, it was partly us just even saying to ourselves, we've been talking about this issue, so we ourselves wanted to step up. And we looked for like-minded institutions, colleges, and 25 college presidents stepped forward to join us in this pipeline challenge in about 17 states. And the Pipeline Challenge is all about really a commitment to generating an additional 75,000 students to be enrolled in the next 3 years.
I think my heart skipped a beat.
Yes.
Can you give me that number again?
Yes.
How many students?
75,000. We know it's an audacious goal. It is 1,000 per school per year, so that's 3 years at 25 schools for 75,000.
Wow.
And we're really looking at people who maybe manufacturing hasn't thought of, women, right?
Yeah.
Maybe getting more women, veterans, second chance citizens, right? Those that need a second chance,
Yes.
right, Drew?
Yes.
And deserve to have an understanding of what's available to them for a career that can really change the trajectory of their lives. So it is a partnership with the colleges to, engage their industry, but also think through really innovative ways of creating a bigger pipeline.